Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video we'll see how you will be able to replace the content, find and replace into the database tables. Okay, so making mistake like the spelling mistake and some maybe capitalization you have to done. So these are very common issues. Okay, so during the content creation you'll find you made a mistake here in the spelling. Okay, and now you made a copy of the same content into the multiple place. So till the time it was changed for the only one place, it was very easy. But now suppose you have made this copy of the same misspell content to the 15 places, then how you will be doing that one? Suppose you will be searching for some shortcut so that you can change one place and it change automatically on all the places. Yes, so there is a feature in Moodle you can go for that. Okay, and that let me come to the. So here you can see my screen now. So there is a concept here. You can search over the database table and replace. Okay, so for that we'll have to access the admin in the URL, your main LMS URL /admin /tool /replace. So this is the link from here that changes can be made in a one go. Okay, so search whole database for, let's say you have to type this, but unfortunately and by mistake you type TIHS. Okay, then you will be fixing like this, and and this is the option here in case you want to skip. So this is just a spelling mistake, so why you are looking for this skipping option? So this is something you have to TIHS replace with this. And lastly, you have to select for this option here. I understand the risk of this operation, and you'll have to click here, and you are done with the changes. Okay, so this is something, but yeah, this is currently in under the experimental feature in Moodle. So you'll have to make sure you have a complete backup of database before moving ahead. Nothing will happen in general, but yeah, ideally it should supposed to be you should have the backup of the DB. So it is just recommending that one. Okay, so let me come to a course where I am going to make this mistake. So this, okay, so this is the one course I am coming here, and I have created another video around this. What are the challenges before moving ahead you should consider, and is it really recommended to use this feature or not? I will paste here the link in the description of this video, and you will go through that one. Okay, so I am going to create here a content. So this is a sample page. I'm going to edit this. So you see here there is a this. So even in title and here in the this. So I'm going to replace both this with the wrong one, and now I am going to say, alright, and I can go for another one. Let's say I am going to create a huge here. So this huge, this. So the two things I have this message spell. Now I have to make the correction here. So I can go like this, and here I can click on yes, do it. Okay, so it will also give you all the details here. Okay, you can see here list of all the query that has been updated there. Update this, set, replace. So this is just my SQL command. You will see here. Okay, and you will also find here the queues. Yeah, so update MDL queues, set this. So this will be doing job for you. And I had also there. What was that? So that was a page. So of course the page should also be the part of, yeah, so it is also updating the page. Got it? So here you will find all the query here. Now you see it finished and you can click on the continue. Okay. Yes, so now I am done with the changes. If I come here and come to this particular section, I can see the change. So my Miss SQL, well, this one, mistype DIH, it changed to this, the exact one. But here in the both the title and the description, I had made the mistake both on both places. Now you can see the change on both places. Let me come to the queues. Yeah, yeah, you see here this is okay. So ideally, I made here under this was section. So section is also updated. So queues even can be updated here. So I forget to add queues, but yeah, this is a section. Here is also updated. Okay, so this is how you will be able to find and replace any text in your whole DB and replace with your required string. So hopefully this will be helping your case, and it is going to save you lots of time where you have to manually update 20 plus places. Then this is a magic trick for you. And of course, go through the video I have created with another link. I will paste here. Thank you. Thank you for watching and have a great day.